everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x for our parametric equations. So let's first take the derivative of y with respect to t, this one right here. So we have derivative of y with respect to t. We're using the product rule. We're going to write our square root of t as t to the power 1/2 times the derivative e to the negative t. So it's going to be negative e to the power of negative t. All right, plus. Now we're going to write down our e to the power of negative t times the derivative square root of t, which is 1/2 t to the power of negative 1/2. Now let's go ahead and simplify this. I notice that this term here is also a factor of this term, except for the 1/2 part, but we can fix that. So we're going to write this as 1/2. I'm going to put my t first. T to the power of negative 1/2 e to the power of negative t. And then this is going to be times. If you look at this, we have the same thing, except we need a negative 2t. So for the 2's, we have this right here. And then we're going to have a negative 2t. This is the same, so you just put plus 1. This also can, if you notice this, all this can be written in the denominator. So that's going to be negative 2t plus 1 divided by, this goes in the denominator, so 2t, and get rid of your negative exponents. All right, so that's that derivative. And now let's take the derivative of x with respect to t. Now that's just going to equal negative 1 divided by t squared. Therefore, if we have derivative of y with respect to t divided by derivative of x with respect to t, that's going to give you your derivative of y with respect to x, because these would cancel out, the derivative of t's. All right, so just copy down your derivative of y with respect to t, and that's going to be negative 2. I'm going to pull out a negative and write this as 2t minus 1 divided by 2t to the power of 1/2 times e to the power of t. Now we divide by this, which is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's going to be times negative t squared divided by 1. All right, we have two negatives, so that's going to make a positive. Let's pull this down. Derivative of y with respect to x. So our numerator is going to be this 2t minus 1. And then let's look at our t's. We have t squared times t to the negative 1/2. So that's going to give you t to the power of 3/2. We still have 2 in the denominator and e to the power of t. So this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Oops, let me fix this a little bit. All right. I wrote on it 3/2. There you go. Bye-bye.